Hello, we are Hana Kasei, and our mission's purpose is to create a livable environment on Mars for researchers to be able to research the practical applications of cyanobacteria, more specifically spirulina. Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I am the journalist for this mission.
Abraham Rodriguez, and I'm one of your friendly doctors for this Mars mission.
My name is Lana, and I'm gonna be one of the doctors for this mission.
Hi, my name is Rita, and I'm the architect for this mission.
Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm a biotechnologist for this mission.
Hello, my name is Troy Kasuga, and I'm a biotechnologist for this mission.
Hello, my name is Adrian Castillo, and I'm a biotechnologist for this Mars mission.
My name is Kenneth Sanfilo, and I am a biotechnologist for this Mars mission.
Hi, I am Melissa Lam, and I am one of the engineers for this mission.
Hi, my name is Jenna, and I am the botanist on this Mars mission.
Hi, my name is Gabriel, and I'm one of the engineers on this Mars mission.
To verify that CRISPR works, we're actually using a gel electrophoresis. To use the gel electrophoresis, we'd be extracting DNA using a micropipette tip and inserting into our gel electrophoresis. After doing this, we then put this in our power supply, and after running this for around an hour to an hour and a half, we're able to dye it with a blue stain. After dyeing it with a blue stain, we're able to compare the base pairs and how long they travel. The further they travel, the lower the base pairs.
As a journalist, I will be documenting the progress and daily life of our colony.
As an architect, I will work with the engineers to design shelters and buildings for our colony, as pre-existing shelters will only support our colony for 2 of the 4 years our team may spend on Mars.
We are in charge of any medical conditions such as daily checkups and skin conditions.
And checking the regularity of blood temperature and blood pressure throughout the human body.
Spirulina is a type of cyanobacteria that we will be using to experiment with on Mars.
Us botanists will be working with the biotechnologists in order to create food for consumption, like potatoes and soy.
Us engineers will manage and maintain colony systems, including the in-situ resource utilization systems that produce methane for rocket fuel through the Sabatier reaction and oxygen through solid oxide electrolysis.
The technologies that we'll be using is CRISPR, where a Cas9 gene has enzymes inside it, where guide RNAs guide enzymes into certain nucleotide coding within the genetics, and we either cut them out and leave it as is to shorten the DNA, or add in new nucleotide bases which allow for DNA to be edited for genome editing.